It ain't just fur, it ain't just paws, it's love without regret. You'll never find in people what a dog gives without a debt. One last hug from your best friend. No more scratching at the door. No more waiting in the window or laying on the floor. They're more than just a pet. They're the heart you're living for. So hold them close while you still can. Give them belly rubs and praise, 'cause the hardest part of loving them is their short and perfect days. He came when I called, now I just whisper his name. Funny how something